How to control early spring lawn weeds. Healthy lawns with few weed problems require less maintenance over the summer months. Kill the weeds in spring before they have a chance to become established in summer. Most summer annual weeds germinate in the spring, months before the lawn has completely recovered from winter dormancy. Regular herbicide applications aren't a sufficient control measure on their own. A combination of herbicides and proper cultural care works best to eliminate weeds. Things you'll need: pre-emergent herbicide, fertilizer, post-emergent herbicide. Apply a pre-emergent herbicide to the lawn in spring before the weeds begin to grow, following label application rates. Pre-emergent herbicides kill weed seeds before they germinate, but do not affect existing weeds. Mow the lawn in spring once it reaches 4 inches high, removing no more than a third of the lawn's height. Keep the lawn grass at a height between 2.5 and 3 inches so the grass blades shade out and kill most weed plants. Follow fertilizer recommendations for your climate and grass type. Generally, apply a lawn fertilizer in spring as the grass begins actively growing, following the rates specified on the fertilizer bag. Overfertilization can lead to a nutrient buildup in the soil, which results in more weeds. Apply a post-emergent herbicide to the lawn in later spring to kill any weeds that have germinated and begun to grow. Apply the herbicide at the recommended rate on the herbicide packaging. Tips: warnings. Healthy lawns are less likely to suffer weed problems. Water the lawn as needed and reseed thin areas in the fall to keep the grass thick and lush. If winter weeds are a problem in your lawn, apply a pre-emergent herbicide in fall and also in spring.